What is social marketing? Basics. Follow the tips to create an effective social marketing campaign and get inspired by the examples. Social marketing is a well-planned long-term process that entails marketing methods and aims at changing human behavior, bringing social change, improving people's lives and the environment they live in. It helps improve the quality of life. Contents. Why is social marketing important? Social marketing versus commercial marketing. 5 social marketing tips. Social marketing examples. Why is social marketing important? Social marketing helps change the behavior of the masses for the common good. When implementing this approach, companies don't try to transform people's perceptions for their benefit but to bring social change. Marketing techniques allow companies to contribute to the well-being of society. Unlike commercial marketing, social marketing focuses on solving problems that emerge in the world. It aims at evoking consciousness, changing behavior, and helping the environment people live in. It's possible to reach these goals when people are ready to change. According to statistics, 80 out of 100 adults are ready to contribute to social change. Since there's an increasing number of social and environmental problems, sustainability should be the priority of citizens. Negative environmental and social changes worsen the quality of life. To prevent this, some companies turn to social marketing. It questions the major world's problems like hunger, poverty, inaccessibility of education, air, water, and noise pollution, global warming, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, etc. They raise these issues to encourage individuals to be more conscious and care about their environment, help people in need, and change their perspectives. Now that you have a clear understanding of social marketing and its benefits for society, let's proceed to the next section to find the difference between the two types of marketing to avoid confusion. Social marketing versus commercial marketing. There's a fundamental difference between social and commercial marketing. Both seek to have an impact on people, yet they have completely different goals. Social marketing is an approach that uses marketing tools to bring social change. Social marketers promote social, environmental, and economic issues. They raise hunger, poverty, sustainability, education, public health, and global warming problems. Through social marketing activities, communities strive to impact people's behavior, evoke consciousness, and bring change. With social marketing, companies encourage people to be more aware and compassionate with the environment and help those in need. Social marketing usually has a broad audience of people, and it's often a problem to reach them. With the help of public funds, social marketers try to change our society for the better. Commercial marketing is a marketing approach that makes use of marketing tools to influence customers' emotions and thoughts and their purchasing decisions. Unlike social marketing, this method focuses on driving sales and bringing huge revenue to the company. Commercial marketers do everything possible to reach the target. They use advertising and marketing tools to sell their products. Simply put, with social marketing, companies strive to influence people for the common good, while with commercial marketing, they try to influence customers' purchasing decisions and drive profits. So, now that the difference is clear, it's time to unveil social marketing tips to effectively work for the common good. 5 social marketing tips. Many strategies help implement social marketing effectively. Since the success of your campaign depends on the correctness of the selected methods, we'll provide you with 5 amazing tips. Conduct research on your audience. Understanding your target audience lets you know how to act. Data-driven research allows you to have a clear picture of your audience's behavior. As a result, you'll select the right strategies and methods to approach these people effectively and convey your idea. Be convincing. To attain your end result, you should be confident in yourself and your beliefs. Changing society for the better requires you to influence people's behavior and make them think about issues like hunger, poverty, environmental problems, and lack of education. Express your thoughts clearly and confidently. It will help you awaken people's trust, respect, and change ways of life. Choose the right slogans. Like any other marketing campaign, yours should be memorable, short, and clear. Be straightforward and transparent. It's always a great idea to use catchy short slogans. For example, let's take the anti-drug social marketing campaign from the US government. Its slogan is perfect for people to memorize and pay attention to. If you see the "Just Say No" slogan, you'll at least notice, and at most, it'll make you think. Use visuals wisely. Communities often use images to demonstrate the problem and influence people. It's a wise step. Yet, you shouldn't overdo it. Add images to show the consequences of some urgent issues. For example, anti-smoking campaigns often include images of people with health problems caused by cigarettes. Consider techniques to influence behavior. There are many approaches you can apply to influence human behavior. Search for methods that are perfect for your case. Effective initiatives require you to focus on one audience and one behavior at a time. Select groups of people who are ready to change and contribute to the change in society. Study the behaviors in different places, times, and communities. It will help you figure out how to approach different individuals. This way, you'll reach your goals and bring social change. Now that you know the tips, let's explore some real examples. Social marketing examples. You can encounter many social marketing campaigns that try to change our environment and people's attitudes towards it. Unique, outstanding, and different campaigns have one main purpose: to impact. These campaigns aim at creating a change in our society, nature, economy, and behavior. We've gathered some excellent examples of communities that promote sustainability and social change. Friends of the Earth. Friends of the Earth is a community that aims to make different areas climate-friendly, fight for social justice, and protect nature. This organization cares about different issues, including plastic pollution, communities' empowerment, climate breakdown, extinction of species, and more. Tips from Former Smokers Campaign. The campaign focuses on people who quit smoking because of health problems. This way, CDC's Office on Smoking and Health wants to show the consequences that can appear. This social marketing campaign entails the profiles and stories of real people who face health issues caused by smoking. These people talk about their life paths and how smoking influences their family members. In 2021, the office ran this campaign on the national network, online, and on the radio. It offered viewers the opportunity to explore different materials that prove that it's better to quit smoking now. So there are different types of companies and communities. Some try to earn money, and some strive to bring change. Hope our tips will help you with your social marketing strategy.